how to go live on YouTube using StreamYard. So after you register an account on StreamYard, you log in and click on create a broadcast. Normally it would, because now my YouTube is already linked to it, it will ask you which Google account it will be linked to. So mine is already linked to this channel, and so that's why it's there. Otherwise, you have to choose your Google account that is linked to your YouTube or Facebook, and it will ask you where you will have your live stream to go to Facebook or YouTube. And now you can put a title. For example, let's grow together. Come and let's help each other out. That, and public. So you can also have the option of scheduling it later, or you can create a broadcast right now. Right? So create a broadcast if ever you want to go live at this moment. And then you will be entering a broadcast studio. So here you can adjust your mic, so you can unmute yourself, or you can start the camera. Okay, for example, this is just an example, silent LS. So okay, I can choose to enter without a mic or a camera. So here I can add up. I can edit my name actually. If you want to edit your name, and you click on save, and you can also edit your avatar here. So I unmute myself, and I can also start the camera. If you don't want the camera to be on, then you can just share your screen. So here, for example, I have my screen too, and I put it there. So normally it will, yes, there you go. All right. So that will be the display when you go live. Okay. All right. So you can see here the comments. So this will be the comment section where the viewers are going to type their comments. The banners this is where you can use in order for it to be shown on the screen. So for example, this one, it will be shown there on the screen. Okay. If you want to hide it, you hide that one. And the brand, you can choose this one, the logo. You can also choose it later for premium StreamYard participants, or the premium ones have the ability to upload their own logo. And the settings. Okay, so now after doing all of that settings, you can click on close, and then we go live. So ready to go live? I'm going to show you how to go live. Ready to go live, then you can click on not yet or go live. So this is the screen that will appear there on YouTube. So you have to go to YouTube, click here on the top where your icon is, and you click on view on YouTube. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to let the people be able to write and be able to drop their links here on YouTube. So like for example here, this one, Dog and Puppy's Life, when they can, it will turn blue when they have already the access to moderate my live stream. Okay, so here on the three dots on the right side, just click on that. Okay, so just click on the three dots on the right side and click on add moderator. After doing that, Dog and Puppy's Life can be able now to drop his links. So you see, it's already blue now. So you see the difference before and after, and now he can drop his link here, his YouTube link here, and so that the other people can just go directly to that channel. So okay, drop your link, Dog and Puppy's Life, so that we will see. So you see, so it's easy for the others to go to his channel with that link. And so before doing that, before he cannot do that because I did not give him access, and so now he can do that. So everyone that I would be able to put add moderator can drop their links of their YouTube channel. So hope that that helps. Thank you so much. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.